you may notice that some of these grey hybrids, human hybrids, they don't require as much sleep and as much food as general humans do, and they have a lot of health conditions as well. But yeah, reading the Alien World Order, it goes into it about the grey hybrids, and certainly I think that there is a certain percentage, maybe a small percentage, that are grey alien hybrids, and they don't require as much sleep, and they don't require as much food either, and they've got health conditions. So it is interesting. And is that grey hybrid, it's amazing really, when you look into it, and the science behind it as well, hybrids, and technology and experiments that they've been doing and hiding in Area 51 and underground. And I think they were saying about the Dulce Wars beneath in the underground Area 51. Also, in the Alien World Order, it was talking about a Mars base and a reptilian sort of war broke out between the human colony. It's fascinating. And also, Alfred Lambert Webber, the attorney and judge, also talks about the Mars colony, as well as Laura Eisenhower. So it's not just something that one person or two people are talking about. It's several voices of people are coming forward, the Mars colony. And what's really interesting is that 3I Atlas, the comet that came down, was actually, I came across some information saying that the Mars satellites, or the satellites that can take pictures of 3I Atlas, are not working, or all of a sudden are not working, which is strange. And what the other interesting thing is that we've got really advanced telescopes now that can actually take images of far off planets, and yet we don't have any clear pictures of 3I Atlas that's actually arrived here. So there's definitely a lot of things that are, we're being denied information, and we should question that, and we should ask questions, and we should look into it, And also the in Linda Moulton Hughes' latest video on 3I Atlas, she was talking about there was about 8 anomalies with 3I Atlas. For example, a comet its tail doesn't face the sun. I thought that was interesting. And the speed in which it's been moving as well, and several other anomalies with 3I Atlas. And the fact that the US government and NASA has actually now turned into an intelligence agency. There's been a change, and there's been a legal change with NASA. So there's a lot of things afoot, and people really need to start asking the questions, because obviously NASA is publicly funded, and so the public really need to start asking questions. Why is it turned into a intelligence agency? And why is there's these changes, and where's the funding going, and where's the money gone? So yeah. But also what was interesting is that in the Alien World Order, they were talking about how the movie Total Recall is actually seems to be quite spot on in relation to the secret colony on Mars. But the other fascinating thing was what Alfred Lambert Webber said, that was these positive extraterrestrial races that are based on Venus, and they're trying to uplift our consciousness, and they're trying to help us. But obviously there's this hostile grey reptilian agenda and alliance that is infiltrated our governments as well.